Alright, let's get active. Let's get active, gang. Y'all know what time it is. Y'all boy know what time it is, gang. The reason I call y'all gang, this is Styles gang. I hope you understand. You come part of the fam, you know. Just gotta plug this music in. Hey, I just want to make sure my stuff is running swiftly and correctly. It's a little early, but mm. I show my face again after I get my hair done. Get some reels going for you guys. What you understand about price drawdown? Still on a constant downtrend. Been on a downtrend for days. A good spot. It did bounce, I guess, yesterday. But even then, we're talking about the low was what, 583. Just it bounced the other day. I went down to 580. So from 600, 599, 600, all the way to right now 580.20. It is on a constant downtrend, even though there's been some consolidation or bounce days. It's more of a downtrend, but we'll see what the market is telling us to do today. Follow it. Wait till 9:45 first, see the first 15. Look for a break. And if you've been with me for a second now, some people just look for a retest. I am a technical trader. I do not trade off information, which means there's no fundamental analysis. Unless there is a dividend day or, I'm sorry, not a dividend day, a earnings day. And I'm very careful about trading on those days. I know day traders don't usually do this inside the day trading field because they can't validate if other people are good. They can only validate themselves, right? But Aristotle Investments, Honey Drip Network, that would be for options, I would think. Futures, I will go ahead and lock in with Tori Trades. She's pretty good. And if you're going penny stocks, Go ahead, lock in with Timothy Sykes. Now, if you want to do Forex, I'm not really sure, but I'm sure futures and Forex are pretty close, very comparable. Just the bidding is different. Like I said, I can never understand stuff of that nature. But yeah, I'm gonna get back into all the habits I had, creating all my trend lines, my rejection, my enter and exit lines. Now, somebody asked me the other day, hey, Styles, if 9:45 is the rule, why don't you just wake up and look at the screen at like 9:43 and you almost have some clue what you want to do? This is just what I say. That it's not a smart move. It's better to watch the markets to know what they're doing and what they ain't doing. Alright, yeah, we in there. Just had to make sure. Start off with that S&P, the S&P 500. Remember I told y'all in order for it to be an official bear market, numbers had to hit like 490. I could tell you this, we are less than a 100 away, or 90.2. I think that was it, I believe. What I like about Bigger Swim is I can just mark a line at that number and then just put what I'm thinking for the thought note. Thought is bear. Until then, we're just dipping. And dipping and consolidating. With a couple drawdown days. I understand why people don't talk about price drawdown. S&P is dropping. First 3 minutes in. Netflix is dropping. You didn't hear me say about entering or exiting anything. Just having general conversation. How much value coming in on the 5 minutes? Educated guess what y'all think is gonna be. Calls or puts. Just remember this. If it's calls, I would base it off a 30-minute candle, and I'll trade off the 5. But I mean when you're planning on exiting because of price drawdown. If it puts, you can do the same thing. Puts just normally, and I say normally, that doesn't mean all the time, they take the elevator down, okay? And calls take the stairs, okay? Think about the first floor to the 20th floor. If you have calls, you have to take the stairs. You coming down with puts. It's not parachuting, which would be a lot faster. It's more like elevator inside a building that was built in 1955. There is about a 20-second delay in latency. That's why Discord is just going to be much better. Doesn't matter how many times I go live. Even if you were to copy to try to get it at the same time, by the time you hear my voice, 20 seconds later, I'm already in. And not to say that you can't get in either. Of course, you still could. This is not financial advice. I wouldn't recommend it. 30 minutes. All right. There should be some type of downside on Tesla, but we'll see. Look like it's one of those dip days. If it's a dip back towards the upside, I'm definitely more than okay with that. Like I said, I'm waiting for some price recalculation or retest, should I say. Let's see what this section 8-second closure. Right on that 200 moving average. Looked like it was just a wham and then probably a wham. Yeah, definitely. I wanted to try to touch the 50 right here. It didn't, but whatever. Before it pushed back to the upside. But then again, I won't do anything it won't tell me to not do. Wick, wick, wick. Okay. It's time to do what it's gonna do. It's 9:41. I want to wait till 9:40. Actually, I can start drawing. All right, first one. 270. Create alert below. I gotta get back inside the S&P. Only problem is the S&P don't move fast enough for me unless it's like futures, micro futures or mini futures. All right, let's go with it. Remove. Too soon, I had a feeling. So, yeah. Above. $109 on the video. Crosses below, that's gonna be my entry point. If it is 115 on the video. And I am going low. Above last 30 seconds. Spy wick. That's a fake out for the early birds who got the worm. And everything is ready. Now, we wait. Da, 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 da. We got everything ready now. We got Elite's what's tradable. Okay, above 115, right? This could be a double. We don't know though. Okay, millions and millions of people are in the video. Okay, lots and lots of value actually. Oh, that value in more like a retest day. We're going to moving average right here. On the 1 minute, the video shows upside potential. On the 5 minute, below, 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 below. I'm going to go to number 2. Tesla puts by market. Yeah. At 10:20, I guess. Now, 1 second. I have a 10-minute timer. I'm in. Like I said, this is all googly woogly, so I can't tell you exactly what's gonna happen. I would say just be patient. I'm looking for it's a 268. I guess a 265, but that's only if they can give it to me. It's mass consolidation right now, though. I'm gonna lock everything in, so we just focus on here. The only problem is it might arrange, but it might be faking out. What I want to do, what I would like to do, is average in, but until I have, I don't know, like 20 grand to play with, then I won't be averaging in anything. I did start a timer, by the way, so I would just sit back and relax and wait. Looks like more of a repeat of what it did the other day though. I'll give you a brief overview of what happened the other day. I'm gonna move this. My audio's still going, okay. So pretty much what happened was this. It took forever for the puts to jump in. Um, and they didn't actually come in until like 11. And it's only 10 something, right? Like I said, the number I'm looking for is a 265. It's right now, it's a 267, which is not much of a drown. I'm at 1020. How many millions is coming into Tesla? Let's see. Not even, let's see. The first million was like 1.2. We had a couple. That kind of drowned them. Right. Yeah, I would say, let's say hold. Well, I think what's going to happen is this, though. I can line like this. Then it'll this. Up. I gotta do this. That's what I'm thinking, but I don't know. I can't guess that, right? You know. Let me see. This one. Move. One. Move. This one. Move. Alrighty. I don't like this anymore. But like I said, I thought that was gonna happen, which is kind of just a better price to get in at, honestly. But we got 4, we got 2, 2, 3. Okay, let's see. I got about another, I guess, 10 minutes. And only got in at the end of this range. Look, 270, which I'm right in where I'm supposed to be at, but like, look at that. I'm not sure if it's gonna do any more. A bottom wick like this on a 30 is just not the best candle, but I do expect price drawdown this time when it comes to my trading psychology. Everybody's bidding 10, 980, 975. Let's see how this red. 1 5 minute candle has to be green. People have to sell and consolidate. But I think what's happening is it's ranging. Uh, Ranging happens over a time of, like I said, 10 to 15 to 20 minutes. You really just have to be patient and let it do what it's going to do. I said I am in drawdown. I'm not pretending that I'm not. I'm in drawdown. But again, give it time, let it range. Don't be, just be patient. Let the stock do what it's going to do. You don't have to rush. This is my trading plan right here. 265. It hits 265. I'm going to put shift, sell the bid. That's it. Like a stair step on the way down. 267. That's a major stopping point. Let's see. I'm just going to maximize the 30. We don't have a, I got it. We don't have a point to, it's hard actually. Patience is key. My timer is about to go off, by the way, and that's why I put it on. It is for trading psychology, by the way. It just helps. I am definitely deep in the money now. Like I'm not no longer out money, by the way. I'm just waiting for it to hit my trading target. It's the target. I am out. I am almost ready. Come on, 265. That's 17. Come on, 03. I know you got it in. I know you got it. 264 is definitely on my number already. Should I hold it a little bit longer? No, I'm going to go ahead and sell the. Come on, come on, come on. Let's see. All right, fine. Let's hold it. Let's hold it. Let's hold it. We're up already. We're definitely up. Never mind. I'm not going to be arrogant. I sold. I'm not even going to lie to you. I sold this time. I'm not going to be arrogant. Um, I've been having some days. I could have held. I don't want you to think I couldn't. I just wasn't. Oh, that is the luck of the honors. Look at the next candle. And I'm not saying that that's the end of the move. For me, when I day trade, it doesn't matter if a million people watch me or if one person watches me. If I'm able to openly talk myself through the trade, I am such a better trader. So listen, don't listen. Honestly, one second.